If you're shopping for a breast pump, you've probably wondered whether a portable wearable pump can truly replace a hospital-grade pump. The answer depends on your goals, milk supply, and stage of breastfeeding. While wearable pumps have transformed pumping convenience, hospital-grade pumps remain the gold standard for establishing and protecting milk supply. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each can help you choose the right tool for your journey. Hospital-grade pumps are designed with one priority: maximum milk removal. They use stronger, more consistent suction patterns that closely mimic a baby's natural nursing rhythm. This makes them especially effective during the first weeks after birth when milk supply is still being established. They are commonly recommended for mothers with premature babies, low milk supply, exclusive pumping, or babies who cannot nurse effectively. Because they empty the breasts more thoroughly, they can help maintain or increase milk production over time. Portable wearable pumps, on the other hand, prioritize freedom and convenience. These compact devices fit inside your bra, allowing you to pump while working, driving, caring for older children, or doing household tasks. For many busy moms, wearable pumps make it possible to stick with a pumping schedule that would otherwise be difficult to maintain. They eliminate tubing and bulky external motors, making pumping feel much less disruptive. However, convenience comes with trade-offs. Most wearable pumps generate slightly less suction than hospital-grade models. For mothers with an established milk supply, this difference may be minimal. But for those struggling with supply or relying exclusively on pumping, the reduced efficiency can sometimes lead to lower milk output if used as the primary pump. Comfort also varies. Hospital-grade pumps often offer a wider range of suction settings and cycle speeds, allowing for a more customized experience. Many wearable pumps have fewer adjustment options, although newer models continue to improve in this area. Proper flange sizing remains essential regardless of which pump you choose, as poor fit can reduce milk output and cause discomfort. Noise is another consideration. Modern wearable pumps are generally quieter than older traditional pumps, making them ideal for discreet pumping at work or in public. Hospital-grade pumps are usually louder due to their more powerful motors, though many newer models have become noticeably quieter. Battery life favors portability. Wearable pumps typically include rechargeable batteries that provide several pumping sessions before needing to recharge. Hospital-grade pumps are often larger, heavier, and may require a power outlet unless using a compatible battery pack. Cleaning requirements are fairly similar, although some wearable pumps have more small components that require careful washing after each use. Regardless of pump type, following proper cleaning and sterilization guidelines is essential for your baby's safety. Cost is another major factor. Hospital-grade pumps are the most expensive option, although many hospitals and medical supply companies offer rentals, making them more affordable for short-term use. Wearable pumps usually require a higher upfront purchase than standard electric pumps but can be a worthwhile investment for parents who value mobility. So which one is right for you? If you're establishing your milk supply, exclusively pumping, have a premature baby, or are experiencing low milk production, a hospital-grade pump is often the better choice. If you already have a stable milk supply and need flexibility to pump while managing work or family responsibilities, a portable wearable pump can be an excellent daily companion. Many experienced pumping mothers ultimately use both. They rely on a hospital-grade or traditional electric pump for their first morning session or when maximizing output is important, while using a wearable pump during busy daytime hours. This combination provides both efficiency and convenience. At Pump with Isabella, remember that the best breast pump is the one that helps you pump consistently, comfortably, and in a way that fits your lifestyle. Consistency matters far more than owning the most expensive device. A pump you actually use regularly will almost always outperform a powerful pump that spends most of its time sitting in the closet.